Okay, this is a little quick video just to show you how to add a user on the FireCloud system. So you're going to go in here to your Manage User section. You're going to go up to the top right hand corner, you're going to hit click Add New. Then you'll see all the details you need to add in. So you need to give a username. This can be anything at all. Sometimes I would use this for the user email address or name, something that they're going to remember. First name, last name, email address you add in here as well. Now you just have to remember there's a little restriction here. You can only add an email address one time. So if you have certain employees that are using the one email, like say for example reception or night team, whatever, and they're all using the same email, then you need to put in something a little different for each one. So like for example, if it was night manager at hotel.com, you would put in night manager 1, night manager 2, night manager 3, etc. Just so that the email is a little different for each person. All right, so email address, password, there's a little bit of a restriction here. It must have at least one small letter, one large letter, and one digit, and it must contain 8 characters. So that's your restriction for your password. Also, when adding a password, just remember to memorize what password you use, because once you've added the user, the password will not be visible for anybody to see whenever a user is set up. So try make note of what password you use until the user gets to know what their login is. Mobile number, you can put it in if you want, not necessary. Fire training expiry date, if they have done fire training, you can put in their expiration date in here. So there's just a little reminder to tell you whenever it's about to expire. So it's just another way of keeping track of things. Picking a role, you must choose a role. The main 2 roles that you would use here are an asset checker or a site manager. An asset checker is a person that's just doing the firewalks. They have no control over adding users, adding tasks, adding assets. All they do is they will log into the mobile app and they complete the firewalk. So most of the users will be an asset checker. And also the next role would be a site manager. So this would be the likes of a general manager, a deputy general manager, a maintenance manager, someone that needs full access to the FireCloud system, someone that can go in and add users, add assets, add tasks, change things around, get reports, etc. So they will be a site manager. They will also receive a daily email every morning showing them what's happening on the FireCloud system. So that's your 2 roles, asset checker or site manager. So you just choose one or the other. Title you can put in if you want, it's up to yourself. Escalation list and push notifications. Again, these are not required, but they can be added if you want someone to be escalated straight away when there's an issue. Say if someone's doing their firewalk and they fail something and you want this person to be alerted, then you'll alert a manager, and if they're set up on the escalation list, they will get an email straight away. So again, it's up to yourself what you want to do. Push notifications. This means, for example, if an incident's been logged and you want to assign it to someone, if you've enabled the push notifications, they will be alerted on their mobile phone that this incident has been assigned to them. So again, it's not required, but it's there if you want to do it. And the main thing you have to remember when setting up a user, always give them access to the site. If you don't give them access to the site here, when they log in, they're not going to see anything. So username, first name, last name, email address, password, and role are the required information that has to be in here. And then you need to assign to a site. Once you're happy with all this here, you click add user, and that user is going to be added in here to your list.